Happy Mother's Day! Hey guys, we're super excited to bring you this Mother's Day gift basket haul today. Everything in this haul is under $45. Most things are around $30, so very affordable. The links to everything mentioned in this video are located in the description box below. And if you love affordable hauls, make sure to click on that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything. And on that note, let's go ahead and get started. All right, first things first, we are going to start out with the actual basket that we're using. And we have chosen to use something that is going to be reusable for mom or grandmother or whoever you're giving this to for Mother's Day. So we have a couple of different styles with the same theme. So our theme is going to be a day at the beach or fun in the sun type of theme.
All right, so I have here a reusable lunch box, and it has a shoulder strap, so you can wear it on your shoulder, or you can carry it with this handle right here. So on the inside, you can see it has this mesh pocket, and in the front, it has a Velcro pocket. So that's really fun, and that cute button detail. This doesn't actually work, but it's fun. It's fun detail. And then it has these mesh pockets on both sides. So the things about our two baskets that we're making is I have two moms, and they don't dress the same at all. This mom, she likes to wear dresses, skirts, those kinds of things. My other mom, she's more of a t-shirt and shorts type of person. Yeah. So we're gonna show off those two different styles.
Yeah, we want to make sure that we try to cover everyone, even though we're doing a fun in the sun theme. So you have to have somebody that actually likes the sun, or at least likes to go to the pool, the beach, the lake, whatever. But that's the theme we're covering, and trying to cover all kinds of styles. All right, so I have a more girly type of theme because it's got the floral, but it's actually going to be a fun one for everyone, and I'll show you why. So this is a wine bag. Yes, a wine bag, guys. All right, so what is a wine bag? A wine bag is a bag that you can conceal a beverage in. It could be wine. It could be beer. It could be something that's not alcoholic. But you have this insulated bag inside your beach bag or your pool bag, and you are able to open this little pocket in the front, which holds all of your beverage. So you have your beverage in here that you pour in here. This slips inside the bag right in here, and it is insulated, so it keeps it cool. And then you can store everything else in this larger compartment. Now, this bag comes in this floral print, so very cute, and it holds 2 wine bottles or 1.5 liters of any other liquid that is your choice. So perfect to conceal a beverage at the pool or at the beach. Not that I condone illegal behavior if that's the case wherever you're going. So we think that there are a lot of moms out there that are gonna love this bag. And this bag, it runs around $45.
This one is $10, so really good price for this one.
All right, let's go on to our next item. Our next item we have here,
beach towels.
Beach towels. And this one is a flamingo print with black and white. Goes along with everything that we're going to be placing inside our beach bag today. And I love that it actually comes with this nice bow tie around it because you already have that cute detail there. It comes in a few different patterns. I think it's around 5 or 6, and it is actually $16. And I love this bag too because it does stand, as you can see with the bottom. Some of the bags that are out there don't stand, but this one actually has that rectangular bottom to it, so it will stand once we get it filled.
All right, mine is very, very colorful. It's $14 and they have 5 different patterns, so really fun.
All right, next up we have a pair of sunglasses because you can't do a fun day in the sun without sunglasses, right? Now, both of these pairs of sunglasses are polarized, so they protect you from those UVB rays. And this one, as you can see, it comes with, because we are just doing an unboxing right now as well, it comes with a little bag to go with it. And I'll show you what these look like.
All right, these glasses come in three different colors, and they are under $20.
And this one, it just comes in this style and color, and they are $14. And as you can see, they have gold on the part that goes over the ear, and they are black sunglasses. But really affordable and extremely popular on Amazon as well. So I think what we're probably going to do is just tuck that in and then just add the extras on the inside of the bag, because again, that has that little case in there. And then in addition to that, I also have a sun hat for mine. So here's another sun hat. It is on Amazon as well. I'll just add this to the back. Now, one trick that I have found with putting these baskets or bags together is that you can also add a Ziploc baggie that is air filled. So if you want this to be tiered, which I do, and I'm liking the way it looks with the bag underneath. So I think what I'll probably do is add this bag inside. I just kind of blew that up with the air. And I'll add it in like this, and then the shorter things will sit on top of that baggie. And then I'll add the hat in there and just kind of adjust it as we go along. Okay.
All right, next up, I have this cup.
These are the cutest little tumblers. They come in a lot of different styles. They are insulated, and I love this one so much. It's just kind of a hippie style, right?
Cool. And it is under $25, so that is wonderful. It's so, so cute. And then the back shows like the back of the car.
Yeah, I love that it's all the way around. But I was looking at the styles, and they have so many different styles online. If you have an owl lover as a mom, they have a style like that. They also have some different phrases that you can purchase, and just some really cute styles. Baseball moms, they have some things like that. So very cute. All right, we made a few additional adjustments to the bags just to make them look a little bit cuter. I went ahead and changed the sunglasses and put them up at the top here and just made the hat a little bit taller. And next up we have it's a JBL speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker. This is perfect for a day of fun in the sun. It has 10 hours of play, and it has 50,000 reviews on Amazon, and it's rated 5 stars, which is really unheard of. I don't think I've ever seen anything that had that many reviews that has 5 stars. So it's an excellent speaker. It is waterproof, and it comes in several different colors. They have some really fun colors. They even have camouflage. They have pinks and greens, blue, silver, all kinds of colors. And they have just the regular black as well. So excellent Bluetooth speaker, and I believe this one comes in at around $40. So you'll have to go and check that out. I mean, who doesn't need music? You have your music, and you have your wine, you have your fun day in the sun. Excellent. Okay, and I have in my bag, I have purchased a cover-up. Now this cover-up is also very highly rated on Amazon, and it comes in about, I believe, 17 different colors and styles. And Lexi and I have reviewed this one before. It is really cute with that fringe on the bottom. Again, highly rated on Amazon. I believe it's $25 right now on Amazon. And there's also a coupon right now for 10% off. So you'll have to go and check that out. So I'm just gonna kind of tuck this in and try and make it so that the fringe is highlighted. So I'll probably tuck it in so that this is on the outside and this part goes on the inside, just to make it a little bit frilly and cute. All right, and last but not least, we have footwear. You have to wear something on your feet when you have your fun day in the sun, right?
So, I have some flip-flops, and the fun thing about this bag is it has a drawstring. That's really fun.
I love drawstring bags.
Yeah. So, I'm going to take these out.
And those shoes come in several different colors. They have a lot of different colors to choose from. I really like the sole of those because they have the really thick, cushy sole to them. Again, highly rated on Amazon, and I don't remember how much they were.
They're $21.
$21. I also have a pair of sandals that just came to our door.
Here are mine. Let me take these off. So, here they are. The bottom of them look fun because they can look like they either look like a surfboard or wood.
Yes.
Either one works. Either one is fun and unique. So anyways, here they are.
And then I have a pair of sandals. I love the fact that they have the gem detail on them, and they have the zipper back closure. You can see, so easy on off. Just a lot of that unique detail on the shoe. And they come in several different styles. So they have some that have gems. They have different styles of toe, where they have one that almost looks like a toe ring to it, and just a lot of different styles to choose from. They do have the buckle closure on the side, and I'm not sure if that's a functioning. Yes, it is. So you can actually adjust the buckle closure on the side as well. But I thought this matched really well with what we had going on here. So I'll probably just tuck these in right behind the hat. Give it a cute look, and I might come back and adjust that. We will see. Maybe we'll do it. Actually, I think we'll do it this way. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this looks. All right, so here we have our finished gift baskets. And if you guys can think of any other hauls that you would like to see for Mother's Day, any other themes, whether it's loungewear or, I don't know, spring gear, summer, let us know in the comments down below.